Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blurry shadow frame on CapCut PC. It is the easiest thing ever. So select your video and just copy and paste that and make it smaller than the first video that you put. Go to effects and type in blur, and you're just going to place it on this video. So select it, drag it inside. You can adjust the blur however you like. Then go to media, go to library and add in a black stock video underneath. If it's too short, just freeze frame it, then you can extend the duration. Go to mask, select rectangle, and create this kind of border and feather that out. That's it, super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!